Hey everyone, what's going on? Maurice right over this way, and I'm telling you guys, for a lot of y'all know and that don't know, y'all need to for real come on to this new opportunity that's going on. I mean, NMC by far. Thank you. These guys have really changed my lives. I mean, what else is better than $50 in commission for everyone you sign up? Sign up 2 people, that's 100. Sign up like 10 people in a week, and you're already at $500 alone. You do that for 2 weeks, carry it over, you're at what, 1,000? In like what, less than 2 weeks, depending on, and that's what you working extra easy for just what, making videos like this. I'm telling you, if you're someone, an individual that can do something like that, go ahead and to my website, which is going to be the link down below, www.mauriceantonwright.com, and get yourself signed up, get yourself a new future, because this world is too abundant right now. Even if you don't want to sell the roadside assistance with the teledoc service to help out the next individual, at least get the service for yourself. Protect you and your family alone. That's all you got to do. $50 just to sign up through the electronic bank draft option only. Yes, I mean, it doesn't get too much simpler than that, but you know, I got more freedom that I need to go enjoy for today. So I mean, to the rest of you out there, make sure you have a good day, and if you're someone struggling and want more in life, just again go to MauriceAntonWright.com. that is www.MauriceAntonWright.com. Link will be down below, and you know, get yourself signed up and get yourself into a new future. Take it easy.